Welcome to a journey where creativity meets sustainability. In today's world, where environmental consciousness is more vital than ever, wood log crafts offer a unique way to embrace nature while enhancing the beauty of your living spaces. These crafts, often made from reclaimed and scrap wood, not only bring a rustic charm into your home, but also tell a story of environmental responsibility. By incorporating wood log items into your decor, you're not just adding aesthetic value. You're participating in a movement that prioritizes the planet and celebrates the artistry of handcrafted goods. As you explore the possibilities of wood log crafts, you'll discover that they are incredibly versatile, suitable for homes, businesses, and community spaces alike. From warm and inviting coffee houses to serene residential interiors, wood log crafts can transform any environment into a cozy haven. This journey will unveil innovative ideas that blend functionality with artistic expression, allowing you to create spaces that reflect your personal style and values. Join us in discovering how wood log crafts can enrich your surroundings while promoting sustainability and creativity in everyday life. If you're enjoying the journey through the world of wood log crafts, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends who appreciate creativity and sustainability. Stay tuned until the end for exciting tips and ideas that will help you transform your space with unique wooden crafts. Your support means the world to us, and together we can celebrate the beauty of handcrafted art. Wood log crafts have gained popularity for their rustic charm and versatility. Utilizing scrap and reclaimed wood not only adds character to your home, but also promotes sustainability. By incorporating these elements into your decor, you can create a warm and inviting atmosphere that reflects your personality while being environmentally conscious. The appeal of reclaimed wood. Reclaimed wood comes from old structures, pallets, and furniture, giving it a unique history and aesthetic. This type of wood is often more durable than new lumber, making it a fantastic choice for various projects. By choosing reclaimed pieces, you not only help reduce waste, but also support a more sustainable approach to home decor. Crafting for comfort. Innovative wood log crafts can transform any space into a cozy retreat. From rustic wall art to charming centerpieces, these crafts can enhance the ambience of your home. By integrating natural materials, you create a soothing environment that encourages relaxation and connection with nature. Wooden commercial spaces. Wood log crafts are not limited to residential use. They can also elevate the aesthetics of commercial spaces like coffee houses and restaurants. A thoughtfully designed wooden decor can create a welcoming atmosphere that encourages customers to linger, enhancing their overall experience and boosting profitability. The marketing edge. Incorporating unique wood log crafts into your business can provide a significant marketing advantage. Distinctive, handcrafted items can set your establishment apart from competitors. By showcasing your commitment to sustainability through the use of reclaimed wood, you can attract eco-conscious consumers who value businesses with a purpose. Environmental benefits. Using reclaimed wood significantly reduces the demand for new lumber, leading to less deforestation and habitat destruction. By promoting wood log crafts, you contribute to a circular economy where materials are reused and repurposed, minimizing waste and environmental impact. Versatility in design. Wood log crafts offer versatility that can suit various design aesthetics, from rustic and farmhouse styles to modern minimalist. This adaptability makes them suitable for diverse settings, including homes, offices, and public spaces. The natural beauty of wood can complement any color palette and style, making it a timeless choice. Crafting community. Engaging in wood log crafts can foster a sense of community. Workshops and classes can bring people together to learn new skills while creating beautiful items. This communal aspect not only enhances the crafting experience, but also promotes the appreciation of sustainable practices. DIY opportunities. Many wood log crafts can be tackled as DIY projects, allowing individuals to express their creativity. By using scraps and reclaimed wood, you can create personalized decor that tells a story. This hands-on approach also encourages resourcefulness and an understanding of the value of materials. Functionality meets aesthetics. Woodlog crafts can seamlessly blend functionality with aesthetics. For example, using reclaimed wood to create shelving or furniture pieces not only serves a practical purpose, but also adds visual interest to any room. This duality makes wood crafts a smart choice for both home and business environments. Enhancing customer experience. In commercial settings, the ambience created by woodlog decor can enhance the overall customer experience. A warm, inviting environment encourages patrons to return. Thoughtfully designed spaces can facilitate social interactions and create memorable moments, ultimately leading to customer loyalty. Influencing interior design trends. Woodlog crafts are increasingly influencing interior design trends. As more people seek sustainable and unique home decor options, the demand for reclaimed wood items is rising. This trend reflects a growing awareness of environmental issues and an appreciation for craftsmanship. Profitability through sustainability. Businesses that incorporate sustainable practices, such as using reclaimed wood in their decor, often see increased profitability. Consumers are more likely to support brands that align with their values. By fostering a brand identity centered around eco-friendliness, you can attract a loyal customer base. The future of woodcrafts. As sustainability becomes more crucial in design and construction, the future of woodlog crafts looks promising. Innovative techniques and new uses for reclaimed wood continue to emerge, expanding the possibilities for crafting and decor. This evolution reflects a shifting mindset toward more responsible consumption. Embracing innovative woodlog crafts and decor enriches your home while contributing to a more sustainable future. By choosing reclaimed wood, you support environmental efforts while creating beautiful, functional spaces in your home, coffee houses, restaurants, and offices. This holistic approach benefits individuals, communities, and the planet, fostering a deeper connection to nature and craftsmanship that will resonate for generations to come. Thank you so much for watching our video on woodlog crafts. We hope you found inspiration and ideas that spark your creativity and encourage you to embrace sustainable practices in your home and community. If you enjoyed the content, please consider subscribing to our channel for more engaging videos on crafting, decor, and eco-friendly living. Your likes and shares help us reach more people who are passionate about creativity and sustainability, creating a community that values handcrafted artistry. We truly appreciate your support, and we can't wait to bring you more exciting content in the future. Stay tuned for our next video, and happy crafting!